Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a quick review on the ringtones from the Nokia 1110i, released in 2006. That phone works at GSM 2G dual band. The only difference I found with the Nokia 1110 from 2005 is the year, because both of them have the same specs. Now let's start. Let's take a look. I bought mine from Joom. It's like AliExpress. Yeah, you can comment below that it's a copy from a Nokia. I have to say that these Nokias bought from China have a replica of the case, but the motherboard is original, so they work fine. So the dimensions of the phone are 104 by 44 and 17 millimeters. At the bottom we found the microphone hole, the Nokia charger port, the USB for flash it, and the jack 2.5 millimeters for audio output. At the left side, a hole for a lanyard. At the top, the hole for the speaker. At the right side, the hole for the same speaker of the phone. And at the back, the Nokia logo and the battery. Nothing much. So let's turn it on. So the phone hasn't many specs. It was made for calls and messages. Let's go to the main menu where we can find messages, contacts, call register, settings, clock, reminders, some games, extra content, SIM card settings, and that was all. A cool thing that has that phone and many other from Nokia is the speaked clock.
The time is 7:30.
That's cool. Depending on the language, it will speak in your main language. So let's take a look at your favorite section, the ringtones. and there you can put your own composed songs. Please comment below which were your favorite ringtones from that phone. Also, let's take a look at the message tones, the standard. It said connected. Ascending says connecting people in Morse code. Check out my videos. Also, you can put a ringing tone as a message tone. Another cool thing is the rhythmic backlight alert. If you have set the phone in silent mode and you have on the desk, you can see how it backlights. Let's try another. Okay. That's cool in my opinion. What's more, the keypad tones from Nokia, nothing interesting, nothing much. At display settings, the power saver clock, as you saw at the intro, digital clock or classic clock. What's more, backlight time, screensaver, different screensavers in 3D. Wow, that was amazing for 2006. What's more, flames, in my opinion, a bit boring. Cool transitions. Some fireworks or like fireworks. And random screensaver. Nothing much. And profiles I show you, time settings, call settings, font settings, the languages it includes. It may have different languages depending on the firmware, remember that. And that was all about the settings. Let's take a look at you can find some reminders, some notes you can put on the phone. Let's take a look at the games. The Snake Xentia. Let's try it. Okay, that was my example, nothing much. Pocket Carom. I don't know about that game. Okay, that was my example from that game. Dice games. Another game that I never seen, so I don't know how to play with it. Okay, that's another game it contains, and the game settings where you can put the backlight, sounds and vibration options. At extras we found the calculator, converter, countdown, stopwatch, composer. Different tempos, you know how to play with the composer, yeah? And play. Okay, that's an example. The demo of the phone, if you don't insert a SIM card, you will see the demo. Nothing much. And that's the Nokia 1110 from 2006 in 2020. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.